Alright, so this ought to be an interesting test. This is going to be testing Rvdical 4S 1300 versus an Rvdical 5S 1300. The 5S is brand new. The 4S probably has about 10 cycles on it. 4S first. I haven't actually flown the 5S yet. And this is on T-Motor F40 mid KV, 2400 kV. They actually, in Ryan Harrell's tests, they spin 2500 kV. So this is going to be a lot of RPM on the 5S battery, but I think it'll be fun because with freestyle we don't sit on the throttle for too long. So in theory, this 30 amp ESC should be able to take it. This was kind of inspired by Nick Willard's 6S on his high KV motors. So I figure if they'll take that, this should be able to handle the mid KV motors. But we'll find out. I'm at work. This is the parking lot right next to my work, so I can't go totally banana pants. But I can throw it up over some trees and see if I get yelled at for making too much noise. Let's give it a shot. I'm woefully unprepared. Alright. Alright, 4S first. Cyclone 5040 props, 5040c, the new one. Quick as I can to 5S. That was not the whole battery. That is coming down at, let's see, it is at, where's the voltage to my OSD? That is at 50, hold on, let me arm it. That is at 3.77%. 2 up in in the air. 2-minute 40-second runtime, 3.7 per cell to get it swapped out. So the weight difference, I believe it's 40 grams. Yeah, because the 4S is a 160 gram battery, so 40 grams per cell, basically, I guess. So yeah, we're going from 160 to 200 grams on the battery on a rig that weighs, this is just under 600 grams with the session. So yeah, oh no, it's just under 600 all up with the 4S battery. So we've gone from basically 600 grams to 640 grams. That's basically what we're doing in terms of all up weight. Alright, that's the 5S.
Low battery critical.
Yeah. Alright. Nobody's yelled at me yet, that's a good thing. Clock's not on fire yet, that's a good thing. Alright, cool. Let's see how 5S is. Should be able to hear it. You should be able to hear the pitch at full throttle be noticeably higher. Hopefully the tune doesn't go to hell. Wow, that's different already. Startup is different. Interesting. So that's a big difference. Two props completely blew up on that one. Told myself to not crash because Brad is coming. My best friend in the world from New Jersey who got me into this hobby. He's coming tomorrow to hang out for the weekend. So I told myself don't crash and wreck all your shit. But that never works. Wow, that's a big difference. The tune is fine. Here, hold on, let me unplug. Don't do what I just did, kids. Unplug the second that you touch it. Right. There we go. Okay, now we're safe. So yeah, that's absolutely bananas. I didn't think that would be quite that much of a difference. I guess it makes sense. 25% more voltage, which is significant. 25% more RPMs. Wow, damn. That's very impressive. 5S on 2450 is pretty dope.